Recording.
Okay. How do you feel tonight? She said it felt nervous. Okay. Your question goes like this. If you have 3 days left in this world, what are you going to do and why?
3 days. Okay. Well, for my first day, maybe I will. Well, on my first day, live in this world. Maybe I will fix everything that undone. And secondly, well, 3 days. Second day, well, I will what do you go?
Logging.
And the third day. Third day. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay na. Candidate number 2.
Imo kung ginailad, ma'am. O baka nang pili mo pala last draw siya.
Hindi po na. Ako mahiter ani.
Ay, ko na hitter di ay.
Here is our contestant number 2.
How do you feel tonight?
I feel so beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, your question
Forward
goes
push.
like this. If you have 3 days left in this world, what are you going to do and why?
Again, louder.
Madungog niya.
The camera
If
won't
you
hear
have
it.
three days left in this world, what are you going to do and why?
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for that mind-blowing question. First and foremost, let me emphasize one thing, that in this world, we have different perspective or perceptions in our life. Whether it is right for me, wrong for you, right for you, or it's wrong for me. It should be respected and not to be insulted. Going back to my question, if given a chance to live in this world within 3 days, okay, the first day, I will meet my friends to share I will let them feel that my sympathy is with him, that I do love them so much. No matter what happens, I will still remember them even I am in heaven. On the second day, I will face all my enemies. I will face all my enemies on the second day. I will forgive them for what they have sinned. And on the last day of my life, or of my living in this world, I will focus, or I will give my 100% to my family, whom I love. Because I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that without them, without my family, I could not be here. Thank you and good evening.
Okay, candidate number 3. Kusugaha, louder. How do you feel tonight?
Well, I'm so nervous because since I am also included in the top 3, but I am happy to be one of the top 3.
Okay, your question goes like this. If you have 3 days left in this world, what are you going to do and why?
Okay, before I answer the question, let me drink this first. Well, the question goes like this. If I have 3 days left in my life, what am I going to do? I have 3 things that I'm going to do if I have 3 days left in my life. First and foremost, I would like to share my life with my loved ones. My loved ones, because they are part of my life. I will give thanks to them because they gave me my life. I will give thanks to my family, to my friends, and also to our Lord Almighty. Secondly, I will secondly, I will celebrate it with my family because I believe that my life belongs to my family. They mold me of who I am and what I am. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I will offer my life to our Lord Almighty because He is the one who gave me this wonderful life. Because of this life, I met my family, I met my wonderful friends, and of course, my enemies. And of course, for the last time, I will ask for forgiveness of all the sins that I've done. Because for me, if I will do all these things, all those things, I will die with all my heart and with all my life. And may I rest in peace. I think that would be all. Ug maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.